Hi, and welcome back to Mathematics again. Today we're going to talk about rounding up to 6-digit numbers. Now let's take a look at the warm-up. This table shows the annual home game attendance totals for some NFL teams. So we have the Dallas, the New York Giants, the Green Bay, the Washington, and the New York Jets. So which team had the greatest total attendance? We can see it is the Dallas. They've got 700,000. Which teams had a total of more than 630,000 spectators? We have the Dallas and the New York Giants. Which team had about 620,000 spectators? We have the Green Bay, the Washington team, and the New York Jets. If a number is about equal to or approximately equal to another number, we use the symbol equal. So 19 is approximately equal to 20. Draw an arrow on this number line to show the total attendance of the New York Giants home games. So you can see the arrow is pointing to the approximation of the New York Giants, about 641,000. If you had to round that number to the nearest 100,000, what number would you write? So the New York Giants can be rounded up to 600,000. How would you round the same number to the nearest 10,000? So for the New York Giants, to the nearest 10,000 would be 640,000. Now let's go on to the workout. Use the table and number line above to help you complete this. Number 1, round the total attendance for these teams to the nearest 100,000. So for Dallas, we'll be rounded up to 700,000. And for New York Giants, will be 600,000. Now, number 2, round the total attendance for these teams to the nearest 10,000. So both can be rounded up to 620,000. Now, number 3, round the total attendance for these teams to the nearest 1,000. So for Washington will be 618,000, and for the Dallas will be 704,000. Now let's go on to the next. This table shows the annual home game attendance totals for some other sporting teams. Use this table for question 4 to 7. So now question number 4, which teams had a total of more than 100,000 spectators attend their home games? We have the Tigers and the Leopards. Now, number 5, round the total attendance for these teams to the nearest 100,000. So for the Tigers, we have 500,000, and for the Eagles, we have 100,000. Now, number 6, round the total attendance for these teams to the nearest 10,000. So number 7, to the nearest 1,000, for the Seals, we have 46,000, and for the Tigers, we have 499,000. Now number 8, write the home game attendance total number that is closest to the rounded number to complete each comparison sentence. So for number 8, the answers are on the screen. Now for the fast finishers, write the number that is closest to 540,000. Use each digit once. So we have 539,610. Practice 1.8. This table shows the annual home game attendance total for some sporting teams. Use this table to answer the questions. So I'm going to do number 1 for you. Which teams had a total of more than 750,000 spectators attend their games? So we have the Bulls and the Raptors. Number 2 to number 5. Please do it yourself and send it to me. So use these answers to compare your answer and submit to teacher's line.